guys, this is Smriti. Welcome to my channel. If you guys are new here, welcome, and if you guys have already been subscribed to the channel, thank you so much for subscribing. So today's video is going to be a review video on the newest Estee Lauder Double Wear with SPF of 19 in it. So this is the face that we created out with. We're going to do a full wear test for about 7 to 9 hours and check out at the end of the day how it's going to perform. So if you guys are interested, let's begin. So today we're going to talk about the new Estee Lauder Double Wear Sheer Long Wear Makeup with broad spectrum SPF of 19 in it. And this is how the bottle looks like. It's a very tiny bottle, very similar to the Fenty Ease Drop. So as you can see, in the size, it's very similar. It's only that the Fenty comes with 1.08 fluid ounces and this comes with a solid 1 fluid ounce. So let's talk about the claims before applying it on the face. Now this is not a first impression. I did apply this skin tint yesterday for about 7 hours and it has a very sheer matte finish on the face. But today we're going to do a wear test with full makeup also. So we'll see how that goes and how does it layer with different products. For the claims, it says that it is sheer makeup with all day long wear and it claims about 12 hours of wear. For 7 hours, it was still intact, so I can say yes to that. It enhances the skin with enough coverage to let your natural beauty show through, which also I can say yes for. It's a multitasking formula which adds moisture when you're dry. It says it's oil free, it's sulfate free, it's phthalates free. It also helps against the visible damage from pollution with antioxidants in it. It again claims for a sheer to light matte buildable coverage. It says it is non-creasing and it is good for all skin types. I tend to have like a combo oily skin type and I could not see any oils peeking through my face at the end of the day yesterday. So let's start applying it. I have the shade with me, which is 3W1 Tawny. Now this is probably going to be my winter shade. I'm pretty tan right now and this is a product that was sent to me from influencer and Estee Lauder. So if it's me, I would have selected the shade which is called 4W1, which is for medium tan skin with golden undertone. This 3W1 is a medium skin with a golden undertone. So yeah, just keep that in mind. If you are my tan shade, I would go with 4W1. I'm going to pour a little bit on my hand and then apply it with a brush, but the way they say to apply it is through the fingers, and I did apply it with the fingers yesterday and it went beautifully. I want to see how it applies with a brush today. I'm under the weather, so my voice would seem a little different. It's not virus. We did get ourselves tested, but yeah, it came out negative. So happy about that. So again, this comes with like the dropper applicator similar to the Fenty Ease Drop. So I'm going to lightly put it on top of my fingers. And it's very runny, as you can see, and it is a tiny little bit on the lighter side, especially right now when I have like the tan going on. So I'm going to take that Instapop brush from Real Techniques and just apply it. Oh my god, that is a lot light. Anyways, I'm going to blend it all across my face. I think when I'll apply like bronzer and everything, it'll be okay. By the way, this foundation, I mean the skin tint foundation, whatever you say, it comes in 26 shades and it retails at $43. So I would say price wise, it is very similar to the Makeup Forever's Watertone foundation, and even consistency wise, I would say it's very similar to that. And when they say sheer coverage, I can still say that it's going to be like a solid light coverage. And it is buildable, because yesterday when I tried building it on top, especially for my like acne scars and all, it really covered up quite a little bit, I would say. It's my unusual timing for recording because it's a wear test. I wanted to record a little earlier, so right now it's just 10 o'clock. So if the lighting is off, it's because of that. So as you can see, it's pretty much a good light coverage, I would say. And this is what I would generally wear in like my everyday life when I'm like not going out or anything. But again, you can easily build it up for a good solid light medium coverage, I would say. I'm not going to do a lot on it. And yesterday, let me tell you, I did not set this foundation and it was absolutely set. Even now, even when I'm applying it, it doesn't seem like sticky or anything like that. It has like a very soft matte finish on the face and it doesn't require any setting. So if you guys are on like the drier side, I think you would be absolutely fine without setting it. Me being an combination oily skin, I still did not find any oil speaking through at the end of the day yesterday. I'm just going to quickly do my face makeup on top. I'm just using this Real Her Ultimate Glow Getter face palette with all the three in it. And I'm going to do it right on top of that skin tint. And you can see there will be no splotchiness or anything just because, you know, it's set. You don't require it to set. And this will take care of my complexion too. It appears very light in the pan like this face palette, but it performs very, very nicely, especially on like medium skin tones. I really like it. Now taking the blush called Blessed, just lightly applying it, nothing much. And then taking the highlighter, which is called Goddess. I'm just gonna mix the blush and apply it on top of the eye, just so that we have something. And just taking the bronzer just to define the outer corners and the crease. And just for a shimmer, I'm just going to take my Going Coconuts palette and the middle shade, which is called Cocoa Crush, and just apply that. So that's how everything is looking so far. I finished off my lips by using the new L'Oreal lipstick in the shade No Authentique, and that's it. So I'm gonna leave it just like that and give you guys a look at the end of the day and see how it goes. I'm just gonna do a little bit of errands and housework around the house and see. I'm gonna continue my daily chores and we'll see at the end of the day how it's gonna look with full face of makeup, because yesterday it was absolutely fine. So yes, see you guys later. Hey guys, so this is how it's looking after 8 hours. It's 6 o'clock right now, and as you can see, it's a very light sheer finish on my face. So yeah, nothing much. It's raining out here, and so it was really dark in my basement, so I just came outside to film the outro. But this is how everything is looking so far. Again, it's not gonna hide any of the blemishes on your face, but it still will even out your complexion very nicely. So that's all, guys. So that's all for today, guys. If you did like this video, if you do like product reviews, swatches, everything, we do a lot on this channel. Do give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel before leaving, and also ring that notification bell so that you're notified every time that I post next. I generally upload every Tuesdays, Thursdays and Saturdays at 9 AM Eastern Standard Time. Until next time, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.